Oh wait. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital Channel. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Monday, February 9th, 2026, 9:22 a.m. Um, on the index, we have Nasdaq moving up 0.8%, Dow up 0.1, S&P up 0.5. Nasdaq volume is down, NYSE volume is down. We do have stocks on the move, looking pretty good with high volume right now, still at above 100% at the 20-year stock. So that looks good. Volume is there to support growth stocks. QQQ here, we're seeing a nice bounce this morning. Right at the open it was weak, but right away we bounced to new high for the day, and looks like we're starting to come back up to the 10-day moving average. We're still not out of the woods. We are below the 10-day moving average at this moment, sitting there. It could clear, it might not. I don't know. We had lots of distribution days here. That is the caveat. So this could be a weak bounce, right? Like, at least for this index. So we'll see how tech stocks do. I think one stock report this morning, Monday, it got hammered, so it doesn't look good. Software stocks are still getting hammered. IGV, um, okay, so IGV did bounce today though, 2.5%, so that's good. Yeah, looking at the semiconductor, let's see. So that one is coming out as well. That looks a lot better. So we do have some of the chip stocks like Nvidia moving today. There you go, right there. Nice move there. Let's see, TSM also moving. This is actually making new high right now. So this is probably my best large cap chip stock right now. Um, I think AMD, let's see. Okay, so this one is still below the 10-day, right? Um, so that's that. Let's keep going. I think on the tech side, we still have like Lumentum moving, right? So here you go, making new high. Let me see what else on the tech side. We have ASX on the chip, A-Lab as well, UI on the telecom side. So those are still doing good. Let's go to SPY here, index. SPY is also trying to bounce back now. It's above the 10 days, very close to new high. So this is looking good. Let's look at the 5-minute chart for a second here. Look at that. That's a nice bounce today. So that looks pretty good. Dow, Dow also moving up, and then but it is sliding down a little bit right now. Let's go to here. So we did make a new high on Friday. That was the headline. Today we're not moving much. Nothing wrong with that because it could be just kind of go sideways while other index try to catch up, right? So that's not necessarily a bad thing. And then we have Russell IWM ETF here also bouncing, getting close to new high zone, also like getting closer and closer. Let's look at 5-minute chart. Nice bounce here. So that looks pretty good as well. So let's see what other stocks we have here. Let's go to so the stocks on the moves I already track it here. Um, on the consumer electronics side, we had GLW. Let's take a look at that one. This one make new high, very strong move the last three, including today, 3 sessions in a row. That looks pretty good. We have AS moving today as well. This is Amir Sports. Um, I mean, this is a pretty long base too, so we will see like hold on a second. My screen is stuck. Not sure what happened here. It completely frozen. Here you go. Let me refresh this. Anyhow, yeah, it's trying to come out here, right? So I think it looks okay. Today's move, as long as it stay up here at the top, I think that's a good sign. So that's Amir Sport. Let me see what else we have here. Okay. Industrials, and financials. In my weekend video, we talk about those two groups that are doing really, really well. Here we have Cohere, MBT, TPC, VRT, XMTR doing well. Let's look at some of this hasn't reported yet, so that could be a problem later. So there's always a risk when it comes to stocks that haven't reported yet. But this is a nice bounce. We got a huge shakeout right there, and today we bounce and make new high. So that's I like that. VRT. Oh, so that one already reported, so that there's less risk on that one. VRT, this one's reporting 2 days, but today it bounced to new high, so that looks really good as well. Um, so it might be worth the risk. I don't know. XMTR. Let's see here. I'm not sure why my screen keep freezing up. Here's XMTR. It's a little bit slow. Geometry. This one also breaking to new highs. So all these stocks are breaking to new highs. Very interesting. And then we have NVT. And this one is bouncing also very strong. It's not a new high yet, but at least it's getting closer to it. So that's that one. Someone asked me to look at ISPC. Is a really small biotech stock. I don't really follow like micro stock, so anyhow, I just want to mention that. Uh, on the gold side, all gold, CDE, DRD, like so the gold is moving today. Um, so some of them are rebounding. So let's take a look. Again, I don't know why my browser is so slow. It could be just gold shares. So there you go. Bouncing pretty nicely here. So yeah, I like the move right now. Um, of course it could fail, but but that's sometimes you have to take the risk, right? So that's that. So yeah, so some of the stocks here we have all gold, CDE, DRD. Those are all moving in higher volume. Although there could be more stocks, right? Moving a higher volume. We just don't know because like I'm only looking at the top 20 here, and even the 20th spot is at over 100% volume at this moment, which is really really strong. So like I say, all the other gold stocks probably doing well too. But here's all gold bouncing really nice here. Um, CDE. Yeah, this is a little bit slow today. I don't know what happened. It was started out pretty strong and then now it's slow. Anyhow, very similar chart, right? It's bouncing here. So yeah, look at the gold stocks. They look pretty good. Um, Financial, only one name came on the stocks on the move, but Russell is doing well today, so I would assume a lot of the banks, especially regional banks or finance related stocks. So this one is making a new high right here. Stone Group. So looks good. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you guys have a good trading day and see you again. Bye.